Hello and welcome to the Recruitment Curry podcast. I'm your host, Ketan Gajjar, and today we are tackling a topic that's close to the hearts of property managers everywhere. Let me start with a quick story. A few weeks ago, I spoke with a property manager who said, I feel like I'm on a hamster wheel, Ketan. Emails, tenants, maintenance, repeat. There's no end in sight. Sound familiar? If you are nodding along, trust me, you're not alone. In this episode, we are going to explore why property management can feel so overwhelming and, more importantly, how outsourcing can be your secret weapon to reclaim your time and sanity. But before I begin, I'd like to thank our sponsor, Think in Circles, Recruitment Marketing. Think in Circles are experts at helping direct employers, recruiters, and RegTech businesses develop marketing and employer branding strategies that create impact and ROI. Their support powers the recruitment career. So, if you're looking to amplify your brand and outreach, make sure to check them out at thinkincircles.com. So, let's talk about what's really going on in the world of property management today. I recently read a survey that found over 60% of property managers feel chronically stressed by the workload. Why? Because the role has evolved and not always for the better. Think about it. Regulations are tighter than ever. Tenants have higher expectations. Technology is changing how properties are managed, and yet, many of you are still stuck juggling spreadsheets and late night maintenance calls. One property manager shared with me that they hadn't taken a proper vacation in 3 years. Who's going to pick up the slack, Ketan? They said. That's no way to live or run a business. Here are some of the biggest challenges property managers face today: endless administrative tasks, compliance paperwork, rent reminders, lease renewals. The list goes on. Constant tenant communication, requests, complaints, questions, all demanding immediate attention, maintenance coordination, chasing contractors, scheduling repairs, and dealing with emergencies, and the pressure to grow your business on top of all that. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and you don't have to stay stuck. Here's a question for you. Would you try to fix your car's engine yourself? Probably not. Most of us would leave that to a mechanic. So, why do so many property managers try to handle every task on their own? This is where outsourcing comes in. Outsourcing is about delegating specific tasks to experts outside your organization. It's not about losing control, it's about gaining it. By handing off the routine, administrative, repetitive, time consuming work, you free yourself to focus on what really matters: growing your business and building relationships. I know some of you might be thinking, outsourcing sounds risky. What if it doesn't work out? That's a fair concern. But here's the thing: outsourcing has become a proven strategy across industries. In fact, the property management sector is just starting to scratch the surface of what's possible. So, what exactly can you outsource? Let's break it down. Administrative duties. Imagine never having to deal with data entry or compliance paperwork ever again. Tenant communications. From responding to inquiries to scheduling viewings and handling maintenance requests, these tasks can easily be outsourced. Marketing and lead generation. Need to update property listings or manage your social media? Outsourcing can take that off your plate. Financial tasks. Think rent collection processing, bookkeeping, or preparing financial reports. Maintenance coordination, scheduling repairs, and liaising with contractors can easily be handled by someone else. I'll share a quick story. One of our clients, a small property management firm, was drowning in tenant emails. They outsourced tenant communications to a dedicated team, and within weeks, they were now saving 10 plus hours a week. That's 10 hours they could now spend building relationships with property owners and growing their portfolio. Let's talk about the benefits of outsourcing, because it's not just about saving time, it's about transforming how you work. Enhanced efficiency. Imagine focusing only on the tasks that move the needle while someone else handles repetitive, time consuming, administrative, routine work. Cost savings. Did you know that outsourcing can cost up to 70% less than hiring in house? That's more money to reinvest in your business. Access to expertise. You don't have to be a marketing whiz or a compliance expert. Let the professionals handle it. Scalability. Whether you're managing 5 properties or 50, outsourcing grows with you. Improved work life balance. One client told me they finally made it to their daughter's football game for the first time in years. That's the kind of win outsourcing can give you. Let me share another story. A property manager we worked with was managing 20 properties and trying to do it all alone. After outsourcing administrative, time consuming, repetitive, and tenant communication tasks, they doubled their portfolio within a year without hiring a single new staff member on shore. Their secret? Delegating the routine, repetitive, and administrative tasks to focus on growth. Another client reported a 30% increase in tenant satisfaction scores after outsourcing tenant inquiries. Faster responses and professional communication made all the difference. Are you feeling overwhelmed just thinking about outsourcing? Let's break it down. You want to start by assessing your tasks. What's consuming the most time? Identify tasks that are repetitive, time consuming, administrative, and the ones that don't need your personal touch. Always start small. Pick 1 or 2 tasks which are simple and small to outsource as a test run. Choose the right partner. You want to look for a team that understands your industry and communicates very well. Set clear expectations. Be specific about what you need and establish regular check ins to track progress. At RPO Arena, we specialize in helping businesses like yours ease the overwhelm, whether it's admin support, tenant communications, or even digital marketing assistance. We provide tailored solutions that fit your needs. One of our clients said, I didn't realize how much time I was wasting until I started outsourcing. If you're ready to reclaim your time and focus on what truly matters, which is growing your business, we'd love to help. Visit our website on www.rpoarena.com or contact me directly to learn more. To wrap up, remember this: outsourcing isn't about doing less. It's about doing more of what truly matters to you and your business. Take a moment to think about that one task you'd love to stop doing today. Now imagine handing that off to someone else. If this resonates with you, reach out to me at RPO Arena. Let's explore how we can help lighten your workload and scale your business. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore actionable strategies to drive growth and efficiency in your business. Thank you for joining me on the Recruitment Curry podcast. Until next time, stay sharp and curry on.